poison is sour.
Are you asking me?
Please receive the interruption. Record of battle. Please come to the office for dismissal.
Take it.
I was worried. I thought they said I heard a warhead opening.
You gotta take a picture
Please
while
close it, reseal it if you can.
Mr. Pickett.
Mr. Pickett, can you really not open it?
I got it. I'm just
In the
working
corner?
it.
You want me to open it for
Come on,
you?
Mr. Pickett.
You're on video.
Right next to the autograph sign. Hannah, look at me.
Woo!
Ready?
Hannah, look at me. I'm wearing
Come on.
glasses.
No.
Warhead
Put
time.
it in the side of your
Nicole,
mouth.
point out to him where I signed.
Side of your
You can't
mouth.
suck it. That's cheap.
Unless.
Okay.
Aw, your warhead skilled?
He likes stop talking.
Oh, I want a warhead. Can I have one? Can I have one? Do you have any more?
Oh,
Do you have any more?
why am I doing this?
Who's got the warheads?
I'm not.
Who's got the warheads?
Oh
I
man.
love warheads.
Enjoying it?
Who's got the warheads?
I do. No.
Please, come on.
This is hilarious.
Is it sweet now?
Please, please.
Not yet.
No. I'm not giving them away. How about now? Is it good?
No.
You should put this on YouTube.
No, you shouldn't.
Put this on YouTube. I know, I have to run them under